Alright people, good morning. Guys, we usually start a video like this, but what happened was guys, we left out go see, we never planned to make no video at all people. You know, because the weather, the breeze was ripping, the weather hard guys, you know, fight and go out there. So we didn't plan to make no video people, you know. So boop so guys, we'll go on evening set. Take up evening set and we head home guys. And just watch the people and see you guys, you know. Just let me know turn out in the comment section. Yes, my people, just do the right guys, watch the video and I know one thing about it. Guys, we never plan to make no video, hence that's why just watch the video guys and that's what I want. And that's exactly what I'm talking to people, you me? So just stay tuned guys and in for a big treat. So that is it people, check it out.
So people, who was the breeze? I'm saying when you can't see me. Guys, who was the breeze of people and come all the way out here because the trees are blue right now, got to blow. Right now about 25 knots of blow people tell you. You tell me, you see me? Camera blurry. Guys, we fight the breeze people and come out there and tell you guys it's a blessing, watch it. It's a blessing guys. From fish people, you can't blur now still but you can't wipe your don't see. It's a blessing, watch it. Panfish guys, panfish behind it. Watch it. Panfish guys. I'm showing you something else. People, look at people, watch it again. Check again guys. Panfish. One set guys on my yard right now. The camera blurring it guys, but you know? The phone wet, I'm close wet guys, so I can't wipe it because say exactly what I've done. But I tell you guys, we're nice people. You see me? We find the food, we're not going that. No day, no time. It's a blessing guys, watch it. Watch it. Watch it. It's a blessing, guys. We're head home right now, people. You see me? I'm going to show you how to eat the fish, guys. Just stay tuned, guys. You see me? It's really a blessing. I have a big bad cap down there, so. What up here, let's see, dog? What up here, I be let's see. It's a blessing, people. I have a bad cap with that down there, so you know? Yeah, man. We're head home, guys, so stay tuned. When we try beach, guys, we're showing exactly what I'm going. We don't go fish them right now. You see me, people? Stay tuned. I'm showing her again. Look, fish here so, fish here so, fish this so. Stay tuned people, and look how it come down. More fish. One by one.
How do you think if you don't have a wall?
Half. Half you throw 3/4.
If you don't have a wall dog.
Easy yourself man, hold on, can I kiss the cup?
You don't have one bro. Unbox and see go. What beat tonight dog?
Show them when I beat up I stand now. There, don't go there.
People see what going on. So beat up your heads now. So you don't get my wall. I joke guys, I don't talk to young girl, you know? Alright. We try some come. Let's beat somebody else see. So guys, this is how properly I used to fish them. So guys, the beat here is fine. Snow coat. Fish. Show that there. Me a work look, I have to get paid. So me a work, yeah man. See what going on people?
Crush your eyes again.
Yeah, no problem.
No problem.
Beautiful. See one big cat over there. Show your face.
Them one knife.
Knife on our boat. Alright, two big captain. What? People see what going on? Watch it. That. So something to camera.
I can't see him here now.
Jaja.
Yeah, God joke. I don't want to see it. No show face, man. I don't want to show face. Honest.
Is that jealousy me here? Is that jealousy right there?
No.
Is that jealousy?
Yeah, I don't want to even say think I'm blue, dog, you pay that, you can. It's alright. So you regret it, I guess what? I want a year to do something, I know. Alright.
Jaja.
It's alright, because I want to show face, man. You did the part too. Alright. Yeah, the man.
I'm jealous of that people.
If you leave that me, I'm gonna sue you.
They're gonna sue me like cartel. Ah. Young girl strength. So Lisa, walk on.
You got nothing.
Guys, you know what this is now?
I'm the Lisa.
Nico,
One of them people.
pause video now.
Alright guys, stay tuned. See it? They unload the boat right now guys and just head home same time. King Cam. King Cam. So some of the people. Alright. Big up the Cam, sir. Big up Captain Mice. Good morning guys. You know if you're out here bright and early guys before the sun even raise and watch it. Out here bright and early this morning people, you know? Yeah man. Watch I'm showing something. Yeah, so guys, see them cloud there, show you alone. Alone till I say breeze out the people, you see me? That's one of the reasons why we turned back last night. Phew! So guys, bright and early out here before the sun rising up people in the morning. But from the see I pull over guys, you must know say morning cold. You see it people? Come on. Morning cold guys. Well, let's open. So you see my real people? Not alone show in that matter. Not alone show in that guys. Watch now. I walk over here and show them where I go on. But the fish them the people, because they will come for the man near them. They will come for the. So guys, let's put them now. Watch it. For money guys. Eh? I look for the fish them people, my bad. For money. Man ugly man eh?
Alright. Yeah, I'm ugly. That's how you go.
What the woman I want me to do? You see people? Show your face. I don't know of morning guys, take the one set turn back, take a look. Clean and pretty guys, right through.
Yeah, more that kind in there.
No, just couple.
One, 3 pounds.
Not so much. 1 pound. You see what on people? Watch it. Oh gosh. That's the biggest sketch since the year start doing them in our life. That's the biggest sketch since the year start. Really grateful for you guys. And we just did this in one shot. Them thing in the day again now me.
What's the matter? So you go fire trap now.
Oh, you look at my blood clot next to me.
Some back-to-back flight, yeah. Come in the Kush, Rakesh, tell me the face I show you so. Tell me the face I show you so. Turn to where you go. No, your back, yo. Move friend, say background dirty. Kush, come here, sir. Can't picture this, sir.
It's a video selling our fine lad.
Yeah, iPhone S22 no. The phone no show. No, S22. Then look at the camera quality, brother.
And the fish them jet I want that the camera.
And the camera quality, brother.
Camera quality.
I fish them jet up.
S22 man, I feel clear, isn't it?
What is that, 15?
There's a blessing in people, you see? Best gift is since year start, guys, from the starting of January. As I say, people would eat it. How much would eat in a cash?
Just one.
Just one.
Not even
One single set of people have done my credit at night. So my guys, I've done my credit at night last night. I'm not gonna see if it's still, so I'm just stay tuned, guys, on follow. And you see there it is still. You see there one. So guys, that is it. Yeah man. So go people, you see me? 5-3 yesterday hard, go out in an event, try one event guys. Turned out very successful. We hit back home the night people. A good night rest and come back out early small get fish themselves guys, you see me? So guys, it's a pretty good trip. This is actually the biggest catch guys since the year started for us, so you know, it's a really great look for that guys, you see me? So guys, remember until then, like, comment, share, subscribe. You see me guys, tell a friend to come check out the YouTube page guys, cause we just hit 1,000 subscribers guys, so the journey just begun guys, you see me? We are grow. Limit to the sky people, you see me? So just continue watching video guys, blessings all the time, big up yourself right through people, you see me? And thanks for watching. Just bless up on yourself guys, you know? One love, out.